Hello everybody, my name is Vince Taylor and welcome to the Vince Taylor site. Vince Taylor Smart Grips and or Powerball 50 Smart Grips. As you might know, these are my training handles. Powerball 50 Smart Grips / VT Grips are a new innovative training handle to represent my new training principles about getting you healthier and taking a different direction to change the game. I created a principle and concept of training, which is about utilizing cable machines and exercise bands, and the whole concept is lightweight resistance training. Let's get that job done. Let's stay healthy. Let's train more functional, more safe, and train smart by using the Vince Taylor Smart Grips. Now, the training program itself and the concept of itself is called lightweight resistance. That's just totally different from the way we're normally training with dumbbells and barbells. Now, my concept of lightweight training is to benefit everybody from ages 8 to 80. It benefits people who are basically in a rehab state or they're just personally healthy and looking for a whole new way to do some physical exercise in the gym and at home, utilizing these exercise bands and or cable machines at home. So no more do you have to go to the gym and actually use heavy weights, dumbbells and barbells. Predetermined workouts, sets, reps, listening to no pain, no gain, those concepts. My Smart Grips are training handles. These training handles were designed to create a better method of creating the resistance and controlling your resistance by utilizing lightweight to get the job done. When I talk about lightweight, I mean using half the weights that you've ever trained with before. That's why I call them Powerball 50 Smart Grips. 50 represents you don't train above 50 pounds. It's crazy and it sounds like, wow, how do you do that? Well, let me explain it to you. Utilizing these handles is the whole beginning of everything. My handles are designed to be placed between your fingers, unlike any type of training grip you've ever used before. That gives you the possibility of isolating certain muscles and also gives you the ability to contract under your own accordance the muscle that you're training. Now, the purpose of that is to create a healthier way of training, all right? No more barbells, no more dumbbells if you choose not to use them. But with my training method and using light weights, you can also use the same weights to create a full workout, to use heavier weights to stimulate the workout, to use these lighter weight direction to make that muscles contract and make sure that you're training properly. Now, on this video, you're going to see different ways I'll be training with the grips. You're going to see and understand the principle of these grips. I'm going to let you see that when you watch the videos and training. But for now, I just want to welcome you to my site. I'm happy to have you here. And when you think about where we're going, this site personally is about the grips, giving you a visual on what they do and how you use them. The bigger picture is these grips belong to a certain program, which will be my next videos and also presentation of the Vince Taylor training system, the lightweight resistance training system, okay? So for now, stay tuned, look at the video. Thank you for stopping by and think about this. This is a whole new way and concept of training. Training handles utilizing the finger fold, something I created over 5, 6, 7 years ago. Okay, from an injury I had suffered, I was training in a rehab capacity, and I was utilizing certain equipment in the gym, and I came across this particular design of grip and a way to utilize it to attack, isolate, and contract a certain muscle group that I was actually doing rehab. So I'm trying to let you see that everything about your training will change by the way you use your gripping action. And with the Powerball 50 Vince Taylor Smart Grips, you're going to be able to take your training to a whole new level. And then you're going to walk into this new training principle, lightweight cable resistance, training your entire body, utilizing the cable machines and or exercise bands that you can use at home, in the office, on the go, anywhere you see fit. Because if you understand that it's the resistance that you're controlling, you'll understand that the grip gives you the different command over certain areas of the muscle that you are training, An overall type of conditional workout using cable and positive and negative force resistance exercise bands or cable machines versus barbells and dumbbells. You're going to see a different type of muscle quality being developed. Now, without further ado, watch this video, take a look at my whole website, and get yourself some of these Vince Taylor grips, because your future and your health depends on taking it to a different level. Lightweight resistance cable training. Vince Taylor special, Vince Taylor principal, and I know a little bit about these type of things. I've been in this business about 30 years, and I'm going to share this with you. See you at the end of the website. Get yourself a set of grips, and thank you once again for stopping by to see the Vince Taylor grips.